They came quietly, as a group, elders, youngsters, and playful kids. Maybe a family, maybe a whole community. Langurs are rare visitors near my village. When they arrive, the hills feel different. Villagers often shoo them away, not out of anger, but necessity. They can empty farms and gardens within minutes. And when langurs are here, the macaques disappear, disappointed and distant. One langur pauses, plucks a marigold flower, and eats it slowly. A quiet reminder, this land is shared, even when sharing isn't easy.